Hello everyone, so first we're going to start off by using our hand for making this cat. First we are going to draw the cat's face by using our hand like this, and then we're going to draw the highlights of it like the eyes, nose, mouth, and then the mustache. After that we're going to move ahead towards its body, and then we're going to make legs and the tail, and we are going to make a bell also. After that we are going to use the swing color for giving the blush effect. Next, we're going to make a beautiful scenery, first starting by making the house with a chimney and a window and door. Then we are going to make some trees around it, and then we are going to color it by using some sketch pens. We are using different colors here. You can use any kind of color you want. Next, we are going to make a frog by using our hands. We are going to give its face a shape, and then we're going to highlight its features like eyes and then the big mouth. After it is done, we are going to make him wear a crown. After that, we're going to move ahead towards its body, and then we're going to make hand and the tail, and then we are going to give it a checked effect like this at the sides at the body. And when it's ready, we are going to color it by using some sketch pens like shown. Next, we are going to make a scenery of a house containing some beautiful items in the surroundings, starting by making the house and its details like windows and doors as well as chimney. We are going to move ahead towards the tree which is at the right side of it, and then we're gonna make some apples on that tree also. When it's ready, we are going to color it with different color combinations.